Hi, today in front of me Huawei MatePad SE, and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the app gallery. And now in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard, the name of the app, and now let's just click to install this application. And let's wait a couple of seconds while this application just will downloading and then installing on our device. After that, just tap to open the application. Click to enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click on the swatcher and tap twice to OK. Now let's go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. The process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of keyboard on our device, and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.